Yeah. Second fundamental. We are in second fundamental of this particular ordinary differential equations. So we have seen the first is the short differential equations are called as or termed as DEs, and further there are types of the differential equations, ODEs and PDEs, right? Now, the second fundamental, what we are going to see, what are the different type of derivatives? We call it as, derivative. If I say derivative, what does it mean? You know, if I say derivative, what does it mean? So if I say first derivative or specifically say first order derivative, I write it as d by dx of y. That means here in this you should understand y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. That is y is depending on y is a function of, that means y is a function of x. It shows like this. What is the second order? Second order differential equation. Different derivative. Second order derivative is what? D square by dx square. We write in this term like dy by first order derivative. We have seen first order derivative. First order derivative is what? D by dx of a function, right? A dependent variable. Second order d square by dx square of a function. D cube by dx cube of a function. To be more specific, suppose say if we have y to be as the dependent variable, suppose y is the dependent variable and you have x to be as the independent variable, then how do we write the derivatives? Derivative, I write derivative as dy by dx. So this is known as first order derivative. Then we say d square y by dx square, this is second order derivative. Then we say d cube y by dx cube, third order derivative. Like that. So next one is fourth order d power 4 by dx power 4 of y. Like that we can write nth derivative d power n by dx power n of y. So these are known as the derivatives, ordinary derivatives. We call ordinary, in the ordinary differential equation, we use dy by dx and d square y by dx square. We say d cube y by dx cube, like that. Suppose we know as a, if you just refer back in your 8th class and 9th class, f of x, a polynomial, suppose a polynomial is given something like this in polynomial in y or polynomial in x. Suppose this is known as y is equal to f of x. Is the f of x is equal to, suppose say 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Similarly, my ordinary differential equation, how do I write my ordinary differential equation? I can write this as d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 1. So this is nothing but a polynomial which is formed by dy by dx and d square y by dx square. It is also an equation, but it is referred to as an ordinary differential equation, and this is referred to as an equation which is known as a polynomial equation. So there is a fundamental, we can correlate with the what you call types of the equation what we have learned in 8th class and 9th class.
Right.